Hi everyone, welcome to my second vlog. It's quite a special one because I bought my very first car. We're currently in the car. I dreamt about owning a car for a very long time. As you know, doing things with cars is my hobby. So I was quite excited to own my first car. Am I gonna use it daily? I'm still not sure. I'm gonna try to use it as much as I can, but I won't take it to school because parking spaces in Antwerp are limited and expensive. So I probably won't be doing that ever. The bus stop is right at the end of my street, so that's also not really an issue. So my dad goes to work with his car and it takes quite a similar route that I take to school. And he's in traffic all the time. He leaves an hour earlier to be on time on his job just because he's gonna be in traffic for 3/4 of an hour. And I'm not going to get up earlier to go by car if I can take the bus and sleep longer, if you know what I mean. But I will take to the gym, I will take to visit my grandmother, and I also would like to take it on trips. I would like to do a road trip with friends or with my brother, and I am planning on going, if I have the money and time, to make a road trip to Italy to visit the Ferrari, Lamborghini and Pagani factory. I've seen a lot of YouTubers and famous Instagram people do it, and I would like to do it myself as well, because I think as a car nut as me, a real petrol head, you really have to see these companies. You know, you have to know where they're based, how they look, and in the meantime you see the sickest cars driving around, the prototypes, the unreleased models, maybe if you're lucky. So I'm definitely planning on doing that. Am I gonna do any customizations? I really don't think so. Really, not yet. It's a pretty basic car. It's a Golf 6 from 2009. It has a full 80 brake horsepower. Sickening fast, really. I was in it the first time and I was like, damn son. But no, it's not really that fast. It's not really very special, but it's special to me. Although you see a Golf 6 like every 10 minutes on the streets. But no, I don't think I will customize anything soon. I don't see what I can change. Maybe the back windows, made them a little tint darker. But I'm not going to change the wheels. I'm not going to lower it. I'm not gonna put spoilers on it. Not gonna upgrade the engine. It's really not necessary, and it's only more expensive in terms of the assurance. So no, otherwise. As you see, kilometers an hour, not miles an hour. I live in Belgium, not in the USA. It's a 5-speed manual, not an automatic. It has a basic radio, but it works, so kinda happy. I have this air freshener thingy that's upside down for some reason. I can keep my phone here, my card holder and stuff. I have everything for the heat and to keep the windows defrosted. A little compartment to put a sponge, a car charger. So this is for in the morning if your windows are dirty or there is condensation on them. It's easy to wipe away, and of course, Nivea, please sponsor me. That's when you have had a rough ride and you stink a little bit. I have of course 5 seats, but only 2 doors. As you see, Two doors. I did not really opt for 2 doors, but I guess it's okay. I don't really mind. This is for the mirrors and to warm the mirrors in the morning, so when they're frosted you can easily warm them. In here we have the ice to remove the ice from the windows. It's winter time, no, it's autumn, but it's freezing already, so that's for the lights. And what do we have? So of course the whole interior all black, no leather, and then, as I said before, the L that's need to be here, but it falls off literally every single time. Big boot, easy to travel. I have the first aid kit. I have the anti-frost window cover with magnets. Also for winter time I have no spare wheel because apparently they don't do it anymore. The guy told us. So the car is dirty, extremely dirty, because there was a storm this morning and this midday, so all these trees had their things fall on the car, so I have to take it to the car wash very soon. It's amazing, it's comfortable, it's spacey, it's cheap to run, it consumes actually the consumption is actually very good. I've done half a tank and I did 370 kilometers. I mean, yeah, it's really good. I love it. And I think I will play some montage now. I did some exterior shots, some driving, some drive-bys, so yeah, I will cue that now.